Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some great products to share with you today. Are you ready? Sit back, relax, and get ready for this exciting awesomeness. Now, the first one, oh gosh, there's like 2 out of 3 that I'm dying to show you, so I'm going to show you the first one first, because we always need birthday sets, right? We always need more sentiments for birthday. You know, you just never have enough. And it's true. And people will come to the booth and they'll say, oh, you know, I need more birthday. I need more birthday. Well, here you go. Boom, done, right? This one is called Bold Birthday to Stamp because all the images are more bold. So it has celebrate, happy birthday with tilting letters, have a wonderful birthday, and many more to come. It's your big day. It's not late. I'm sorry, I'm not late. I'm early for next year. Happy birthday anyway, because sometimes we forget, right? Look who's having a birthday today. Yay. And presents, eat cake, wish, candles, and party. Just kind of a fun little sentiment stamp. So I have lots of fun samples to share with you on that one. But wait, there's more, because look at this. We now have a pineapple. Fold it, and hello, is that the cutest thing you ever saw? Now our foldeds are perfect A2 size card. They will fit in a standard envelope, and guess what? This even comes with the happy face, which is oh so cute. Now I have a lot of samples to share with you on that one as well. But wait, there's more. There's one more. Now this one is really, really fun. This is a window stitched die background set, and it comes with, now this is, it comes with a lot of dies. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 dies. Because what I did was I made the background die, it's a grid, and then I added some stitched squares and some regular squares. So now this is all stitched. The big part of the grid is all stitched. And then some of the squares have stitch marks, some are regular, so you can mix and match. And I have a lot of fun samples to share with you. Now my design team once again has hit them all out of the ballpark. Look at how cute this is. Look at using the sunglasses from the regular pineapple set. Look at how fun this is. Here's another one using the pineapple sentiments. Now you can have it fold at the top, or you can have it fold on the side. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Now let's look at some more. Oh, here you can just put it right on the card itself if you want to, which is really fun. Oh, here's a cute one. Welcome. Oh, look at this with our stamp. Look, oh, so cute. Oh, so cute. And your pineapples don't have to be yellow. Make them pink, make them blue, make them any color you want, because there's no different. You can have it any one you want. So here's welcome with one of our bows, which is really fun. Here's a cute blue one. I love these pineapples. They're just so fun. Now Ken's worried this one's going to sell out fast. I'm just warning you. Now we will reorder this if it sells out, but if you want it now, perfect in time for summer, get it quick, because he's worried that I didn't order enough. So I'm just warning you right now. He's like, Stephanie, he's in charge of inventory, and he's like, I'm a little concerned about that one. So go get it quick, because it's oh so cute. Okay. Now, let's look at some more things. Now we're going to look at the Bold Birthday. Here it is, cute little, it's your big day with a cute little whale, fold it. Here is Celebrate, it's your big day, using our fun exclusive Flip It. Here is It's Your Big Day, and using our action wobblies. You know those action wobbles are so adorably awesome. Here you can just make a simple card, just stamping on a background. Oh, using one of our puzzle die set. Happy birthday, have a wonderful birthday, and many more to come. I love that. It's your big day. Oh, look at this. Look who's having a birthday today, and it's our pocket slider, and I didn't practice this one, so let's make sure it's opening. Oh, it's a little stuck. There we go. There we go. Yay! It opens it up and it says yay. Oh, and it's even on an action wobbly. I love those. They're fun. Here's another one. Presents, eat cake, wish, candles, party. Yay! Open it up. Don't forget to decorate the insides too. Look how cute that is. This set's perfect for the Bold Birthday's perfect for the insides too, because you can add different things. It's your big day. Perfect for the inside. Oh, here's using our balloons to cut. It's your big day. Oh, using our gift, fold it. Bold Birthday. I love this. Oh, and look at this one. I love this one's fun. It says, look who's having a birthday today, and it's mirror paper. Isn't that fun? Now, we don't sell mirror paper, but I bet you have some in your stash. It's your big day. Happy birthday. Yay! Now, are you ready for the grid die? I'm just saying we need to take a moment because this one is awesome. First of all, it covers the whole background. It fits perfectly on an A2 size card. Here it is perfectly on an A2 size card, layered on. Look at that, isn't that fantastic? But look at this. What if you cut one row off? Totally different. Totally different. Using even the same colors, totally different just by cutting the bottom row off. Now, I want to show you this one because this one's important too. This one is cutting the insides out and it's just extra, and now it's just horizontal. Look at how many different options. You're just going to make a couple little snips and look at that. Totally different. So I always want you to buy something, and if you're going to buy it, I want you to have multiple uses for it. So here's 3 different uses, pretty much. So these are both using black, but just changing the color and making it horizontal and cutting out the insides. Now you have a totally different look. Isn't that fantastic? I love that. You could even do it this way and have it a totally different look. Lots of options. Now, this one probably wins the winner prize today. This is Kristen. Hello. Is that the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? Let's do lunch. I love that shark. I love that shark. I love that. Pretty please, it says in the inside. Kristen, thank you. I needed that laugh. That was awesome. That's awesome. Happy birthday using our online critter, guys. Ooh, look at this. Easy peasy. Die cut and you're done. Stay cool. I like that. Oh, look how pretty this one is. That one makes it look like a quilt. Isn't it gorgeous? I love that. Oh, I didn't see this one. Leslie. Okay, perfect wedding card. Boom. Look at that. Now, all those stitch marks, and I know you can't see it at home, but when you see this one in person, if you ever come to an expo or something, you'll see those stitch marks. Just add a little extra, and oh, so beautiful. Congratulations. Oh, here you can see those stitch marks a little bit better because it's a darker color. Adore. Oh, and here's a fun one. If you wanted to do a Christmas card, Joy, right down there. That Joy is available in our fireplace die set. I love that. So much fun. Now, club members, of course, you get the club discount on these. If you're not in the club, go join ASAP. Now, again, I'm a little concerned on that pineapple, so if it's in stock and you like it, get it because it's going to sell out really fast. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.